friends, welcome back once again to another beautiful video. Today we are going to discuss about a very beautiful book. I think you all have heard about this book and many people among you have read this book too. So let us discuss today about Wings of Fire, the autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam sir, and he has written this book with Arun Tiwari. So this book is very close to my heart, and why this is very close to my heart, I will discuss with you all today. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. The first thing that I learned from this book, which inspired me very much, was that he was very dedicated to his work. What do I mean by that? If you read his autobiography, or many of you have also heard this, that when he was a teenager, he used to sell newspapers to homes so that he could earn small amounts to support his family and his education. He had a very hard time getting educated, but his family, his father always supported him and always gave him good lessons to be a good man in life, and he throughout his life remembered all these lessons. We will discuss how he remembered these lessons and tried to devote as much as he can to his country. So the thing that I am going to tell you all is that he was very dedicated. He used to borrow books from his cousin brother's library and here and there, and he had a very hard time getting educated, but he never gave up. He always tried to gain knowledge and worked hard for what he aspired to do. And later he got admitted to one of the best institutes, Madras Institute of Technology. He was very fascinated by aeronautics and aerospace engineering, so he studied engineering in Madras Institute of Technology. At that time it was one of the premier institutes in Madras, and later he became the Missile Man of India. So how this man from so humble beginnings came to be known as the Missile Man of India, that is the journey that is being shared in this book, in this beautiful book. So he was a true inspiration and still is a true inspiration for the young generation, for youth of India. He was a very patriotic person. He was a very patriotic person, and I loved this character so much. I love this aspect of his life so much. He once even rejected offers to stay at NASA and work there. He came back to India, and worked for the betterment of the defense system of India. There was an incident that I read in this book, and I saw the pictures in internet, that once when he and his teammates were making rockets, they distributed the rockets into parts, and he carried the parts of rockets at the back carriers of the cycle. Can you imagine how much dedication this requires? Can you imagine how much dedicated and patriotic he was, his love for his country? He even carried the rockets at the back carriers of the parts of the rockets at the back carriers of cycles, and he brought those rockets to the destination points where they were to be researched and launched. So he and his teammates were very dedicated to improve the betterment for the betterment of the defense system of India, and to give India knowledge and contribution in every respect he could. He traveled throughout the country to give lectures in different colleges and schools. He attended different colleges and schools to give lectures over there, so that he could inspire the young generation, the young minds of India, so that they could take responsibility for the betterment of the country that he took. He throughout his life believed in simple living. He never thought of his personal monetary gains. He always thought for the betterment of the country, for the betterment of India, and he always dedicated his life for the betterment of this country. And that is one of the most loving aspects of his life that I loved very much, and we should all try to learn these things, because this patriotism will help us, will give us the motivation to work hard, to gain more knowledge, to be devoted to our work, so that we can work for the betterment of the country. And that he wanted the young minds of India to learn. He is still a true inspiration for any young mind in India, and he came to be known as the Missile Man of India. He became the 11th President of India. He never tried to get monetary gains. He had a very simple life. His only assets were some 2,500 books approximately. He was a very voracious reader. As I said, he loved to gain knowledge and share those knowledge. He after being a scientist, he became a teacher, means a professor at a college, at I think Anna University. And over there he once said in an interview that he loved to be called as a teacher rather than as a scientist or any other profession. Why? Because he wanted to share his knowledge among young minds. That was his dedication and passion for sharing his knowledge to the young people, so that these young people could uplift India in every aspect of their lives. That is why he likes to be called as a teacher rather than as a scientist. And this we can learn that how much important knowledge is in our lives. So that is why this book is very much close to my heart. He was a very determined person as well. He had a strong determination. He never gave up when he used to work on anything. He always learned to whatever he had in his hands and combine those things and get his job done. That was his dedication. We today, in this fast-paced world, I want to share one thing with you all. This thing I have also observed in my life as well, and that is we try to complain very much. Why? We should never complain very much, because this man gives us the lessons that how we can do anything that we want in our life. From any situation we can rise to whatever position we want, and that requires true confidence, determination and devotion for our work. Then we will find a way. The proverb that where there is a will there is a way is very much proved by this great person's life. So we should all learn this, that where there is a will there is a way. We should always try to devote ourselves to the work. We should not complain to the situation that is beyond our control. We should always try to improve ourselves and try to improve what is in our control, and automatically we will have betterment in our lives and thus the betterment of our country. So we should always try to learn whatever resources we have. From whatever resources we have, from whatever thing we can learn, we should learn, have knowledge and share that knowledge among as many people as possible. So that will be a true dedication to this person. So this book is very close to my heart, and it has been many years. I think when I was in 8th or 9th standard, at that time I read this book, and since then this book has been very close to my heart, and I carry this book wherever I go. This book is in my bag. This book is always in my bag, because I love this book so much, and I got so much knowledge from this book and so much passion to work for my goals from by reading this book. So I highly recommend any youth, any young person to read this book, so that you can have the same passion, dedication and devotion for your country. And that will be all for today. So I end this video here, and I want to share more and more knowledge that I gain by reading different books and different sources in this channel. So I highly recommend you all. I want to share this knowledge with the young people, so that they can be motivated to work for their goals. And so I highly recommend you all, do not miss out these contents. And if you don't want to miss such good and beautiful content, then please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so that you can be notified whenever I upload any beautiful video like this. So that was here till today, and that was till here. So till I upload my next video, stay tuned to the channel and don't miss out these knowledgeable content. Bye friends.